These weaver ants are one of the most popular social insects, well known for their unique nest building behavior. Each colony contains more than half a million individuals. There are two types of workers found in the colony: major workers and minor workers. Major workers do work which requires more power, like defending colonies and building nests, whereas minor workers stay within the nest where they care for the brood and milk. The weaver ants' ability to build nests from leaves make them successful ant species. The first phase of nest building is to select newly developed soft leaves which can easily bent by major worker ants. One by one, many worker ants join each other to lock surrounding leaves into a right position. When the leaf edge is too far, the weaver ant makes chain by holding another ant's waist. Many small and large ant chain work together to retract leaves. Once the edges of the leaves are drawn together, the other workers retrieve larvae from the nest. Worker ant signals larvae to produce silk on the leaf joints. Many worker ants biting leaves with its mandibles outside of leaves, which speed up the rate of evaporation and eventually leaf becomes drier and harder. Weaving leaves are done in multiple layers, inside leaves and outside leaves. Weaver ants' nests are impermeable to water and most of the other predators. These weaver ants also dependent on honeydew excreted by scalebugs, tree hoppers, and other insects. Weaver ants also prey on spiders and other insects.